Let's see the question number 3. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. Okay, first of all find out the square root of 700. Let us try to find out. Let us try to find out square root of. Let us try to find out square root of 700. First grouping. So the square root of 700 having 2-digit number only. Okay. So for 7, the 7 is in between 2 square and 3 square. In between 2 square and 3 square. 3 square is greater, so obtain 2 square. 2 2s are 4. Subtract 3. Double 0. Here you have to double the number. 4. Next. So which number we have to do? Here 4 is there, but here 300 is there. So 445 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 2. 5 4 is 20 plus 2. 225. Also check 46. 6 6 are 36. 6 3. 6 4 is 24 plus 3. 276. 47 into 7 7 7 is 49. 4 7 4 is 28 plus 4 32. So it is not possible. So this one 276. So 4 9 minus 7 2. 9 minus 7 2. Okay. So find the least number. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following. So 24. The least number is 24. We can subtract. Okay, so write down here. Clearly, how much square? 26 square. 26 square is less than 700 by 24. Okay. Hence, the number subtracted. Hence, the least number subtracted from 700. To get a perfect square. Is 24. Okay. Therefore, the required perfect square number equals to 700 minus 24. How much? 6. 7 6 676. Okay, and root over 676 is nothing but 26. Okay, I will discuss one more. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 from 3. Find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtain. In the question number 4, the given number is 18,265. 18,265. Let us try to find out square root of 18,625. First grouping these. So how many groups here formed? 3 groups are formed. So the square root of 18,265 having 3 digits. Okay. So now find out. So 1 is always divisible. 1 is the perfect square of 1. So leave it here and down the next pair 82. Double 1 here 2. Double the 1 2 here. Okay, next 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 24 is greater than, okay, see, 24 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 96 is greater than 82, so it is not possible. So subtract now, here we get 12 minus 9, 3, and 7 minus 6, 1, down the next group, 1365. So now double that 13, double the 13 is nothing but 26. 26. So here 5 is there. So by where we get 5? By multiplying 5 only. So we have to check by 5 here. 265 into 5. How much? 5 5s are 25. 2. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32. 5 2s are 10 plus 3. 1325. On subtraction we get here 40. So the least number which we subtract from this here is 40. So clearly 135 square. 135 square is less than 18,265 is 40. Hence the least number subtracted from 18,265 to get a perfect square is 40. Therefore, the required perfect square number equals to 18,265 minus 40 equals to 18,225. Therefore, 18,225 equals to root over 18,225 equals to 135. Do the remaining yourself from question number 3. Now question number 4. Number 2 from 4. 2361. So we have to find the perfect square of the square root of 2361. So it is in between 4 square and 5 square. 4 square is the smaller one used here. So 4 4 is 16. The remainder is 7 61. Down the next pair and double the 4 is 8. Okay. So now we have to check 80 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 6. Again 8 8 is 64 plus 6 70. So 704. Check out 9 also. 9, 8, 9 9s are 81, 8. 9 8 is 72 plus 8, 80. So this is bigger. So use 8 only. Okay, the difference between these two is 61. 11 minus 4, 7. And here 5, 57 is there. Okay. So here write down clearly 2361 is greater than 48 square, is greater than 48 square by 57, then next perfect square is 49 square. How much 49 square? 9 9s are 81, 8, 9 4s are 36 plus 8, 44. 4 9s are 36, 3, 4 4s are 16 plus 3, 19, 1, 0, 4, 2 equals to 2401. 2401. Hence the least number to be added, to 2361 to make the perfect square. So find out the difference between this and this. 2401 minus 2361 equals to 0. 10 minus 6, 4. 40. Okay, 40. Therefore, the required perfect square is 2401, and root over 2401 equals to 49. Okay. See the next one. Question number 4 from 4. Question number 4 from 4. The number is 5,66,900. So let us try to find out the square root of 5,66,900. 5,66,900. 5,66,900. Grouping all these. So now here they are given 56. 56 is not a perfect square, but it is in perfect square of 7 square and 8 square. So keep it 7 here. 7 7s are 49. So the difference between these two is 7. So down the next number 769. So double the 7, 14. Either check out 145 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. So here keep it 5. So 725. So subtract 4. Down the next one, 00. Okay, double the 75. So then here we get 150. One 1503 is not possible. Why? Because 150 into 3 means it is nothing but 4500 odd. So it is not possible. So 240. 2 5s are 10. 1 carried 3004. Also check 1503. 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. So it is not possible. So keep it 2 here. So then we get here 3004. So the difference between these two is 6, 9, 3, 1. 1396. Okay. So clearly 5,600 and 5,66,900 is greater than 752 square by 1,396. So the next perfect square is 753 square. So how much 753 square? 753 into 753. 3 3s are 9. 3 5s are 15, 1, 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 22, 5 3s are 15, 1, 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26, 2, 5 7s are 35 plus 2, 37, 7 3s are 21, 2, 7 5s are 35 plus 2, 37, 3, 7 7s are 49 plus 3, 52, 9, 0, 0, 7, 6, 5. 56,000, 5,67,009. So hence the least number to be added to 5,66,900 to make the perfect square equals 5,67,009 minus 5,66,900 equals to 9, 0, 1, 0. So 109. Therefore, the required perfect square is 5,67,009 and the square root of 5,67,009 equals to 753.